Hello, my name is Sandra, and welcome to my channel From Lack to Legacy. On this channel, we talk all things money, mindset, and investing, particularly how to go from a scarcity mindset to a mindset of abundance. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, please stay. If this is your first time, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. It helps my channel grow. Also, leave a comment below. All those things help us. Everybody knows each week I try to start the videos off with an abundance quote and an abundance affirmation. And every week I look at my notes. So here's our abundance quote for the week. The abundance quote is, "True abundance isn't based on your net worth, it's based on your self-worth." I mean, that couldn't be more self-explanatory, because I think we all know somebody who's well off, or certainly money isn't a concern for them, or we've all seen examples of filthy rich people who aren't happy. They've got all the money in the world, but it isn't the zeros in your bank account that makes you happy. We all know that. That's kind of elementary. But what I have found is what I do with my money, particularly with sharing in terms of making things around me better. If I can make somebody's day better, it makes me feel better. So I think the true abundance has to do with self-worth. It's knowing who you are and understanding that the flow of money is really what creates abundance. It's not getting it and holding on to it tight. You know, it is that money has to flow. And so for abundance to flow into your life, you have to let money go out. And I think that's key for me. Sharing. I could have $1 million. What would it mean if it was just me and my millions? You know, I think so much of that has to do with what we're willing to let go of and how we view ourselves. Okay, the abundance affirmation for this week is as follows. Abundance is now infinitely flowing through me at every moment. I mean, that's pretty powerful. At every moment, infinite abundance is flowing through me. That just lifts my spirit just listening to that. I mean, just the thought of everything I need in terms of everything is right there flowing through me at every moment of the day. I mean, that alone, it makes me smile. It lifts my mood. I am so convinced that everything is a vibration. And if we want to vibrate higher, if we want to live a better life, we have to start telling ourselves better things. We have to start talking more gently to ourselves and handling ourselves just, you know, with more care, the way we would handle a stranger. So I'm practicing saying beautiful, wonderful, nice things to myself, the same things that I would say to people around me. So I hope you can take that abundance quote and that abundance affirmation this week and make it work for you. Make it your own. Okay, this week I have 4 videos for you. If you've been following along, we talked about an intro to the stock market. We talked about what are options. We even focused on candlesticks and how to read them and how to notice candlestick patterns. But all good traders will need at some point in time to understand supply and demand and support and resistance. So I think that would be the next logical step. So I've pulled together 4 great videos that I think will help you understand support and resistance, supply and demand. So stay tuned. Okay, the first video that I have for you guys, I think you should check out this week if you're interested in learning about support and resistance, is Master Support and Resistance Levels, All You Need to Know. This is a new YouTuber for me. This isn't somebody that I normally watch, but this video looks pretty good. It's The Trading Geek. The video is about 11 minutes long. I found it pretty entertaining. His accent's a little thick, but if you can get past that, this one might be helpful for you. A second video that, you know, I love Wise Trade. So I also pulled this one for you, how to easily find support and resistance levels. This video is about 20 minutes, and I think they do a great job. And again, everybody knows Wise Trade's videos are just well put together. They're really highly polished videos, so, and straightforward. So hopefully you can gain something from that one. And Then my boyfriend, Rainer Teo, has the Ultimate Support and Resistance course for beginners. This video is about 45 minutes or so, but well worth the time. So those other two are shorter videos. You can watch them like on the go maybe. I sometimes watch a YouTube video, pop my headphones on if I'm walking. If you're in the car and you can listen, I mean, you don't necessarily have to look, but maybe not in the car. I take that back. Okay. Devote the time to it. Like we always say, get a bottle of wine, get you some snacks, sit down, take your time and go through this video. You won't be sorry. And finally, the last one I pulled this week is the Trading Channel's Beginner's Guide to Support and Resistance, a simple strategy that actually works. I am really starting to like this guy a little bit more. He's not my favorite, although he's got good, solid content. But the more I watch his videos, I'm coming around. I'm becoming a fan. So if you're interested, and this is certainly my suggestion for you, you've worked with candlesticks, you've got it all down. Now it's time to move on to support and resistance. This is a tool that you definitely need in your trading toolkit. Good luck. Watch all 4 of those videos and let me know. Leave a comment below and let me know if you like these videos or not. Okay, that's it for this week. You've got those 4 videos about supply and demand, support and resistance. I think if you want to be a good trader, if you want to be an effective trader, you want to maximize your profits, there's no way around. You're going to have to master, or at least have some mastery to a degree, of supply and demand, support and resistance, how to plot them yourself, or if you feel like cheating just a little, I sometimes use Fibonacci's retracement. If I just need some quick, some quick support and resistance lines, they'll do in a pinch. But it's nothing like putting them down for yourself, laying out your own support and resistance. It's nothing like getting to know your charts and doing those support and resistance lines across time frames. So you might want to start with a smaller time frame and pull out. Well, that's all we have for this week. Happy trading. Please drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a penny. Hit it, but it helps me out a lot. It also encourages me to continue making videos with this kind of content. So thank you guys for tuning in. Happy trading.